center of the moon. The place in the center of the moon, okay? And you can find this meaning in the name of Mexico, okay? Mexico is coming from three words from the Nahuatl language, okay? The first word is mesli. Mesli means moon. The second word is chicli. Chicli means core or belly. And the third word is co, and that is a locative for a place. So when you get the first part of this word, me, chi, co, you will find the place in the center or in the belly of the moon. Okay, it is very interesting, guys, because for the Aztecs, Mexico City is the center of the universe. It's a representation of the four cardinal directions of the universe. Okay. The music, the art, the painting, the dancing, stuff like that, okay? And all of them are mixed with elements of the Mexican culture. On the left side of the building, there is the Alameda Park. It's one of the most beautiful parks in Mexico City. And originally, this area was a convent, but was changed at the beginning of the 20th century. On the left side, guys, you can see the Postal Palace. This building is also coming from the beginning of the century and was created by the second president. A lot of human sacrifices here in this structure.
Look at this. I learned in the art school for engravers for years, and now I have only 62 years of experience in this job, because I start when I have 10 years old, long time ago. Yes, this material is aluminum, only for show. Ready? Look.
Hola.
Hola, amiguita. Tequila, un té de manzanilla, café negro, café con tequila.
May I try the tequila?
Tequila. Ok. Sal, lemon.
So this store is from Oaxaca. You will find here stuff from the state of Oaxaca in the south of Mexico. Here we can see the mezcal and the mezcal creamy, and also tequila, okay? Over here you will find the crickets. These crickets are really delicious for us. It's like a small chip, very crunchy and very sweet. Wanna have a try?
Yeah, I will.
Try this
Mezcal.
one. This is mezcal, creamy mezcal of maracuya. When the volcano made that eruption, they flew away and they established in the area of Teotihuacan. Okay, guys? So because of that, it's so important, this area. In this area is where steady. Okay? As I mentioned before, guys, this story was created in the year of 1957. Okay? And because of that, it's so important, guys, because it's made ¿Me das otro de mango? ¿Y una botella de agua chica? ¿No tienes? Ay,
What?
this is mango, ¿verdad? You can cross and take more pictures if you want. No, it's not too deep. Only 2 meters or 5 meters, pretty much. That's it.
Any fish?
Yes, there are some fishes, but actually there are no locals. So they're destroyed. ¡Métete, peluchín! ¿Tienes cerveza? Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes, joven.
Oiga, ¿sí está aceptando con tarjeta pago?
Sí, le cobran
Bueno.
10%.
Sí. ¿Quieren elote? ¿Quieren elote?
No, más lento, nos vamos a embarrar a esa velocidad, pobrino. Se avienta con un chingo de ganas mi charro. Casi le estamos, ¿viste?
You are seeing the chinampas, these floating islands, okay? All of them are created artificially, okay? And they have a long time here, so because of that, all of these houses are of the families of this area. You can see they can go inside, and there are more houses. And most of the people traveling in the boats to their house.
Yedek kulübesinde futbolcular.
Una michelada, un poco curado. Ben yapacağım.